Ask questions. I was a teacher for 5 years, and then I even consider myself as a teacher now. After a lecture, nobody asks questions. You only mean one or two things. You understood everything or you understood nothing. There is a question at least. Okay na tayo, diba? So, who will assist in illiterate voter? First, an illiterate voter must be registered as an illiterate voter before he can be assisted. Meaning, but of course, the DEI will be considering that if there are registered voters who are registered as able voters, but nakinita mo, like for example, if the voter is a resident of Cordoba and then his means likelihood is dynamite fishing and then naputulan ng dalawang kamay, of course, the DEI. So, when you say illiterate voter, those voters who cannot read or write. Okay? We have three assistors in the order of preference. The first is a relative of the voter within the foreseeable degree of consanguinity or affinity. So you can ask your students. It's like this. If I am the voter, ang mag-assist na ko is my father, my mother, my grandfather, my grandmother, both sides, ha? And then my son, my daughter, akong pagmumangkon, akong igagaw tagsa. That's the before. Akong igagaw or igagaw. Anak sa akong igagaw, di na pwede. That's fifth already. The second choice is a person of his confidence living in the same household, meaning duha na siya ka qualification. And the absence of one will disqualify somebody from assisting. So first is, this must be a person of my confidence. Siyempre, kung akong pilion, that will be a person of my confidence. But the other qualification is that he should be living with me in my household. So, kung na ako'y trust and confidence niya, pero dahil balay niyang ipuyan, he could not assist me. Kung ipon mi sa balay, pero wala sa sabik niya, he could not assist me. And these two kinds of assessors could only assist 3 voters. Kung mulabas na 3, hindi na sa pwedeng mo assist. So, ang last choice is a member of the DEI. One of the teachers could assist, and then there is no limit as to the number of voters they could assist. Ang DEI, the watchers could not assist. Watcher lang gina sila. So the DEI, katubang teacher nga mo, ipahatag sa balot, board clerk, and the member. We call them DEIs, Board of Election Inspectors. The members of the Board of Election Inspectors could assist an illiterate voter for more than 3 times. Wala na siya limit. But of course, we don't have so many illiterate voters nowadays. Next question, please. Did I answer your question? Wala na? Yes?
If ever supporting may ilaw pa din pagkatanghali, nagka-brown out, paano na po yung pinaiboto na yun? At saka yung paano man po continue yung voting?
Because, remember, wala nang machine. Naana siya UPS, good for 17 hours, 16 hours. So mag-run out, wala rin siya problema. It's really there. So, and then, kung magulunta, duha ang atuaw machine nga gamiton, like sa University of Cebu and CNU, pero tungod sa misaping sa ballots, dili na magamit ang usa. The ballots could not be used, so wala na din natabang kita. Because, una pa ito mo sa machine, we could show you that a particular ballot printed for this machine could not be used in the other machine. So, inyong effect sa usa ka machine, kanon niya. Pero inyong effect din sa PICAS, hindi niya kanon because that is supposed to be a machine for another case. Pero, we deliver to sa students, we sample the ballots, nagkahugaw-hugaw, so wala na mabasa ang mga barcode, so wala na mag-gamitan. So, next question. Because if you have no more questions, I have questions to ask. Yes, sir.
We have a question and they would like to ask about what will happen to the papers nga mahibilin. Like for example, in that room, have about voters in the 1,000 voters.
Okay.
Let's just say nga 700 ang nag-vote. And what will happen to the remaining papers? Nga there's a possibility, sir, that i-insert, bilugan to siya, insert.
I understand the question already. So it's like this. Nakita mo ganihan sa atong presentation. Vigilance. Tulog kami EIs, their support staff na mga watchers candidates. So what is the rule? The moment the voting is closed, isiyon itong balota so that it could not be used again. So, sila na sa mga teachers, siyempre, mo reklamo mo. At least, na may mga watchers. So, ang teachers, dili nila isi-on. But of course, ibig din na, maski din na siya isi-on, even if it's not turn, pero kuan, na-close na ang voting, maski ina pa ng sila ng effect, that will not be accepted anymore. That's why it's, murag kaduha mo prank ang machine. Close the voting, yes. Are you sure? Yes. Pag hamanog yes, ana, miscarriage din ang isi-on, ilang sidan, hindi na siya dawag sa machine. But of course, we will be there watching. No more questions? Let's make use of our time while we are here. Yes? Your question, please? Come, may ano?
Sir, yung piniprint ko na results, sir ba? Anong pwede makakuha ang mga parties ato?
Yes. There will be, the first printing will be 8 copies. KBP, and first copy is for the municipal board canvassers, Comelec Manila, KBP, Dominant Majority Party, Dominant Minority Party, kaning sa media, KBP, Sisimpel in Cebu, one for the polling place. That's the 7th copy. Hindi ko memorize, but there are 8 copies before we transmit the results. So one of these copies will be posted in the polling place. Monte na naman sa mga tao. Okay? So, we transmit the results, and then after transmitting the results, we return it offline, and then we print the 22 copies. Dagan na kayo na siya, minority party sa province, minority party sa municipality. So, there will be 22 more copies after the transmission, and we have a total number of 30 copies. So, kung sa may purpose itong i-post sa polling place. Inyo itong basihan. Pagtanong nyo sa transmit. So, you can download the transmitted results and then compare it with the results sa nag-post. Dahil katong 22 copies nga ulahin, mula na po sa usap, tanawin niyo parehas ba? Okay, you say, the claim is the hacking is done during the transmission. So, result po kayo, muhang ka, just to change and then, pag kaman transmit, mubalik na po siya sa yung original nga kuhan. So, kung kanang first 8 o last 22 copies, we can magpareha, something is wrong. And we should report that. But of course, we don't expect anything from happening. Anything wrong happening yan. Okay? Yes? Sige lang.